Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are safe and healthy. Welcome to your English class. I am your English teacher Mahanur. You must be missing your school and classroom. We are missing you too, but your safety is more important. It's very necessary that you all stay safe and healthy at home. But learning is also important, so attend your complete online classes and be attentive towards your online studies and watch this video till the end. Here is Unit 4, English speaking countries. In this unit, we will discuss about those countries whose national language is English, and we will also discuss about food and drinking items, meals, tea and other, and we will discuss that how to offer something to eat to others or to our friends, to our guests. अगर हम किसी को खाने के लिए कोई चीज़ पेश करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे, कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे। इस लेसन में हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे बहुत ही एहतराम से किसी को खाने पीने की पेशकश की जाती है। अगर हमारे पास कोई मेहमान आ जाता है या हम घर में ही किसी फैमिली मेम्बर के साथ, किसी दोस्त के साथ अगर हम उनको कुछ खाने के लिए दें तो हम कैसे उनको कहेंगे कि आप खाएं। जैसे हम उर्दू में कहते हैं कि आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे, आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे, तो ऐसे ही इंग्लिश में भी एक polite way होता है for asking something to eat or having something. So let's start the lesson. Unit 4, Lesson 1. Listen and speak. Read the dialogues and answer the question. At the end of this conversation, we have to answer this question. Which meal is Mr. Burkey going to have? So first, read the conversation. There are two characters in this conversation, Mrs. Burkey and Nadia. First, Mrs. Burkey says, I've made a pot of tea, Nadia. Would you like a cup? Pot मतलब चाय का बर्तन या चाय का पतीला। मिसेस बर्की नादिया से कह रही है कि क्या तुम चाय लेना पसंद करोगी, एक कप चाय। Underline this phrase, would you like a cup? This phrase shows how to offer tea to someone. Now, Nadia. Yes, please. Mrs. Burkey, how would you like it? Black or with milk and sugar? मिसेस बर्की नादिया से पूछ रहे कि कैसी चाय लेना पसंद करोगी, ब्लैक या दूध और चीनी के साथ। स्टूडेंट्स, ब्लैक टी के बारे में तो आपको पता होगा, जो सिर्फ पानी और पत्ती से बनती है। मिल्क एंड शुगर मतलब जो आम चाय हम पीते हैं दूध और चीनी के साथ। नाउ नादिया, विथ मिल्क एंड शुगर प्लीज़। नादिया कह रही है कि मैं चीनी और दूध वाली चाय पीऊँगी। Students see that how Nadia is answering. नादिया ने बहुत ही एहतराम से के साथ कहा है कि with milk and sugar please. If someone asks with polite way, we have to answer in the same way. Mrs. Burkey, would you like biscuits with it too? क्या तुम बिस्किट लेना पसंद करोगी? नादिया, yes please. What are you cooking? नादिया कह रही है कि हाँ क्यों नहीं। फिर नादिया मिसेस बर्की से पूछ रही हैं कि अभी आप क्या पका रही हैं। सो मिसेस बर्की, आई एम कुकिंग योर फादर्स ब्रेकफास्ट। नादिया, ओह व्हेन डिड ही कम बैक फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया? Mrs. Burkey arrived home late last night. He is still sleeping. I'll go and wake him up now. Mrs. Burkey नादिया को बता रही हैं, Students, tick the phrases for tea that you use at home. Number 1, a cup of tea. We use this phrase at home. Tick that phrase, a cup of tea. A pot of tea. Here is a cup of tea and it's a black tea. Dear students, did you see that was a pot of tea and tea with milk and sugar? That was tea with milk and sugar. And 3 is a mug of tea. Yes, we use this phrase. Its mug is just bigger than a cup. Okay, number 4, tea with milk and sugar. Number 5, green tea. You must know about green tea. It's also called Chinese tea. It's made up of an other tea plant than the tea that we use at home at daily life. These are two different plants. Tea is that we make with milk and sugar is made from different tea plant. Green tea is made from Camellia sinensis. Camellia sinensis, it's a plant that used for especially green tea. Okay, cattle. Okay, you must saw about the cattle. Okay, this is the kettle from which Mrs. Bucky is pouring tea in cups. Now it is your homework to write about your favorite food and drink items that you like the most, and write that on your notebook and send it to me. And do your homework. Read again the conversation and write down the answer of this question. Which meal is Mr. Bucky going to have?